Okay, we have a Haas 4-axis vertical machining center model super mini mill. Serial number 29605. Machine was new in 2002. We're going to run her for you. Okay, machine has a Cat 40 spindle, 10,000 RPM. Right now we're running at 1,000. Goes up to 10, as I said. That's 4,000. You have a Haas 4th axis HA5C, which has a 5C collet capacity. That's 7,500 RPM. All right. You have a 36 by 12 table with 16 inches of X travel, 12 inches of Y, 10 inches of Z. Right there, you're seeing the ATC go at it. There's 10 tool capacity, umbrella style. That's your X. Your Y. Rotary. Okay. And your Z. All right. Oh, machine also has rigid tapping. Thank you for watching our video.